Oh, my house is so good. Is that boom? No, my beautiful, lovely house. Well, where am I? You. Wow, how dare you call me a furry? Wait, what star? Man, such a owie. Wow, that was good. Nice stop. The beep sound was so annoying. Oh really? Take this. Take this. Hiya. Why do you keep censoring the furry word? And you too, but imagine censoring words that are not even bad words. That's crazy. Yeah, I know that. Oh, shut up. Why do we have to add that beep sound? Anyway, yeah, subscribers, you might be wondering why we beep out friendly words. Well, I don't really know why.